I have drawn it. Now let's this one for a given VT graph. What is the thing is us for a given there's a velocity versus time graph only. For a given velocity versus time graph, find the total displacement and average velocity. Look at now at t equals 0, it is having velocity -6 meters per second. So what does it mean? What does it mean? Means the object is going to move. Okay, there's a path. This path is something very important here. So first at t equals 0 is having a velocity 6 meters per second directed towards left. Here. This is our reference point. Origin, and this is the positive x-axis. It was at origin. You will start moving with a decreasing speed. It's nothing but shall we call this a retardation? Yes, in fact, it's a retardation. The motion is towards left, but acceleration is towards right. So therefore, we'll call this as a retardation. Then for 4 seconds, it'll come to rest here. Because velocity is 0 here, it'll come to rest. So here, is it a complete? No, instantaneous rest. Instantaneous rest. Then it will the velocity will become positive. It will change the direction of motion. Velocity starts increasing, so he is accelerating. Then uniform velocity motion. You'll move with uniform velocity for another 4 seconds. Then the velocity starts decreasing. You'll undergo retardation. And finally comes to rest. There's a path. We must know what actually is going on. So where is the person? Okay, we'll bring the person. Person is here. Then again, he will change its direction of motion. Again, he'll come like this. It'll be moving towards right only. Okay, this I have to A triple dash. No, it's again moving towards right. Okay, what all we have to, I think a lot of things have to be there. First, we'll calculate again the similar way, the areas under the curve. So these are the areas are there. So A02. A04, sorry. For 0 to 4 seconds, so this will be of -6 plus 4 minus 12. A48 of into 8 minus 4 into 3. This should be equal to 6. Area of triangle A8, 12. This should be equal to 12 minus 8 into 3 is equal to 12. This part, area of this triangle is this one. For 4 to 8 seconds, what is the area for area? This one, off into base into height. Next, for under 8 to 12 seconds, what is the area? This will be 12 minus 8 into this height 3. Then 4 to 12 off into this will be 14 minus 12 into 3. 3 will get it. Okay, now we'll go for total distance covered. Total distance covered should be equal to A04 mod of it, A48 okay, this will be 12, 6, 12 plus 3. 24, 24, 33 meter will come. Total displacement. Displacement will be, we have to take the vector sum. Substitute all with sign. Minus 12 plus 6 plus 12 plus 3, 9 meter. Okay, there's a basic idea. Now, what about average velocity? Can we calculate average velocity, average speed? We can calculate the average velocity. First average speed. Average speed will be distance by time taken. This is S is 33 by 14. Average velocity displacement by time taken. 9 I cap by 14. Now, what is that A dash? A dash is a retardation. No? We have to interpret that motion properly here. So what is A dash? A dash is a retardation. We'll indicate all the things. A dash is a retardation. A double dash. A dash is retardation towards left. Then what about A triple dash? Is also a retardation. So it's also a retardation. So first retardation, acceleration, uniform velocity, then retardation. Okay, let's go for plotting graphs after getting this. So first its position will increase minus 12. So it'll move away from origin towards left. Comes to instantaneous rest, slope should be 0. Then you'll accelerate, uniform velocity, then retardation, and comes to rest. What is the state of him? Here rest, instantaneous rest here. Okay, some other quantity is there. Yeah. What about this? This will be an instantaneous rest. Here, this will be, you'll come to rest here. You will start with certain velocity towards left. So this will be position versus time graph. Can we calculate values of A dash? A dash should be equal to how much? 6 by 4, so minus 3 by 2 meter per second square. There's a retardation. Similarly, A double dash is acceleration, how much it should be? 3 by 4. Again, the retardation A triple dash should be 3 by 2. So why you are putting negative, why you are putting retardation, I should show sign, no? Acceleration is what I'll put. Like acceleration means speed increasing, retardation means speed decreasing. If you're writing in vector form, you have to write A dash as high cap. This has A triple dash should be minus high cap. I think the vector form, this will be better idea. A dash will be this will be real troublesome for students. Sir, how come retardation I cap, acceleration also I cap? You will change the direction of motion here. This is a retardation, this acceleration, I know it. That's why I wrote separately here. Okay, when you're plotting graph, just be alert. Okay, well, similarly, we'll take the next. Okay, this is about the VT graph. So in VT graph, what is the conclusion I can make it? You can calculate the distance covered, displacement, average speed, average velocity, then also the acceleration, instantaneous acceleration. Area under the curve will give us these things: distance covered, displacement, average speed, average velocity. Slope in VT graph will give us the acceleration. So how do all these quantities are obtained? By calculating slopes. So slope in VT graph will get the acceleration. So there's one small information, I'll dump it here only. Acceleration equal to slope of VT curve. Okay, I think this is the some essential thing which we have discussed here. Let's explore the next graphs, acceleration versus time graph. And